Hi, I'm attorney Timothy Klisz here in the state of Michigan, and I'd like to talk to you about the Michigan real estate crisis for those facing foreclosure or those who are upside down in their mortgage. You do have options. In terms of foreclosure, if you talk to a realtor who's an expert in what's called a short sale, you list your home, you get a realtor to sell it, and the bank ultimately agrees to accept less than what's owed in order to get that transaction to go through. The bank will relieve you of your obligation on that home. That is the best way to deal with the house heading into foreclosure. If that doesn't work, if the house can't sell for any particular reason, you offer the bank what's called the deed in lieu of foreclosure. This is up to the bank to accept it, but essentially if they do accept it and save themselves the trouble of foreclosure, you will ultimately give them a deed and they will relieve you of your obligation under the note, so that when the house goes back to the bank, it's theirs and you have no further obligation. Finally, there's the foreclosure process. It's not a great process. It's ultimately the worst option in terms of what's best for an individual. You give the house back to the bank. They sell it at auction. Whatever they get, they keep. Whatever's still owing is your obligation. And sooner or later, they're going to come down and they're going to attempt to collect that from you. The other option is, for those who are not necessarily in foreclosure but simply upside down in their mortgage, would be to try to hold on to the property. If you can live in it and hold on to it and just wait it out, experts say that the market should come back in the next couple of years. If that's not a current option, think about leasing. Leasing and becoming a landlord, while it's not preferred by many people, is a good option to try to keep you through the rough times and allow you to come out on the end in a couple years, whereby you can stop being a landlord, sell the house, get out from under it, and maybe even make a profit. If you're going to be a landlord, it is difficult and you should have an attorney's assistance in that prospect. Finally, what we're looking at is you can always sell the property on land contract. In this option, you become the bank. You take the payments, you sell the person the property, and as long as they make their payments, you can have a balloon, let's say, for example, of 5 years, and after 5 years, they owe you the balance due, or it's time to refinance, when the credit markets might be open again and the economy may be back. If you have any questions, further questions about real estate and the crisis here in Michigan, I would encourage you to give me a call for a free consultation anytime. My toll-free number is 866-770-7782 or online at kliszlaw.com. Thank you.